for the hood to cure so I can flip it over and paint the underbelly. What it do, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E, and I'm just doing what I like doing best, wrenching on cars, and people always drop me off a car. Y'all, if y'all not new to this channel, y'all remember that 2008 Equinox that I threw together real quick and sold it to a co-worker. Then he blew the head gasket. Now the motor is knocking because he had a major oil leak through the crank seal. So now that car has been dropped off, been towed to my house and dropped off. So let's go take a look around what I've been doing. So yeah, we got the bottom part of the hood painted. So I gotta wait till tomorrow to flip the hood over and paint the other side. Let that cure for a couple of days, then flip it over and paint the top side and slap her onto the car. So we're gonna be finishing putting together the rest of this car. Well, not the rest of it, ain't gonna have no hood. But I already got the fenders on. I wasn't fixing none of the other damage, like I got a little door damage over here, right there. So it don't line up with the fender because the door been pushed in a little bit. But we ain't addressing that. We're just fixing the fender, the hood. And this fender had a dent in it from junkyard. Did my best, but I'm a body guy. I'm not about to sit here and body fill it. Could have, but the car got dents in it already. So I got a dent there, pink peel there, scratches. But got to put the bumper back together. They've been tossing that around. So at least get some of this front end put together. Because it's one of them days. And I got to pick up my father-in-law's 2025 Ford Mustang GT and bring it over here and put a spoiler on it and mud flaps. All while getting ready to go on, hit the road and go on vacation. The California knows how to party. California. It's going to be in California for a week. Just chilling with family. I might take my GoPro with me, might not. But here she is. Covered in spider webs. Dirt. Grime. Had a toe sticker on it. See, look at those spider webs. That's how long she's been sitting. Big scratch on the side. I wonder, was that scratch already there? Did somebody just come, one of the neighbors come key it? So my wife did get into it with one of the neighbors that own this house right here. Right there. Because he don't like nobody parking in front of the house. But it's public parking. And it got dropped off right there. And obviously it's not no parking. Well, neighbors park here. Maybe move my red truck up there. My black truck used to be parked right there. Red truck used to be parked right there when Rich was still alive. Then his aunt in the house wasn't, his sister didn't sell that house. So I had my other truck there. Then I just parked my other car here and some other cars I was working on. But now I got to park that truck there, that truck, and the other truck across the street. Can't have my trailer here no more. Used to have my car trailer. But everybody on my block has multiple cars. I used to be able to park my cars over there. Y'all remember Chris Tahoe used to be over there. If you're not new to this channel, now they got 3 cars parked over there. I call it the Cadillac house. Dude got like 4 Cadillacs. So now I park over there. Can't park over there. Then I got to find some parking. Well, y'all like, oh, but you got a driveway. Me and my wife work 2 different shifts. So we both can't be in the driveway at the same time. Somebody got to move somebody else's car. We did that before. She get home from work, I come outside, bag my car up so she can put her car in because I leave before her. But I get home before her. So it was like a hassle, so I just started parking on the street. But let's get to work on this car. So she'll be about done. All she would need is a hood by the time I'm finished.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
So I'm back. Front bumper is on. Front bumper is all buttoned up. Inner fender liners are back in, all bolted up underneath. She's gonna need a bath. Got brand new windshield wipers on there, so didn't remove the little guards yet. I think I'm gonna have to order tires. These tires are dry rotted, extremely dry rotted. Probably get a new set of tires. Little touch-up paint here. Well, probably not. You can't see it, but right there, and probably put some paint on the screws. Still got to clean out the inside. And this little vacuum here and there. But it got flies on me. Because I stink. Because it's hot as hell out here. Like I said, I was repairing that door damage. Just the accident damage was all this side right here. And she's looking good. Everything lines up as it should. After my pulls on this side. Made pulls using that tree over there to pull out what I need to pull out. To get it almost where I needed to get lined up at. But now, like I said, we just got to wait for the hood to cure so I can flip it over and paint the underbelly. I did do a little body work, some dents and dings. But that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on social media if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch like not like this at teespring.com. Haven't been on there in years. We take Cash App donations, always on there. And we take donations of cars locally only. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. There's all links in the description area below. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.